Hello beautiful soul, and welcome back to my channel. What if you could build a digital version of yourself? Polished, confident, on brand, before you ever stepped in front of a camera. That is like amazing, right? That's exactly what an AI twin does. And today I'm breaking down how to build your first AI twin, user friendly, without overwhelming you with technical details. And if you want a deeper step-by-step masterclass, just comment below masterclass. So welcome back, beautiful souls. I am your clarity and brand coach. Let's jump right into this topic. So before we get into the software Higgsfield.ai, let's talk about what a AI twin is, because for a long time I thought it was just hype. So an AI twin is an AI powered version of you that matches your style, your energy, and your brand voice, skin tone, and personal brand without needing expensive photo shoots, perfect lighting, or confidence to get on camera. Your AI twin, in a sense, becomes the visual representation of your future self. So in other words, it helps you to show up before you're actually ready. So why do I recommend using Higgsfield? Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing AI image platform because it delivers ultra realistic photos. Like, y'all, I was blown away when I created my first AI twin. I could not believe. Now, I ain't gonna lie, it was a little sketchy at first. You gotta practice. Just know that, okay? So now I'm getting ready to give you a demonstration. Step 1, pick your folder file. This file should contain about 20 good photos. Clean background, good natural lighting. Think of this as a passport digital version of yourself. So head over to Higgsfield.ai. Step 2, head over to image and click on Soul ID character. From here, you're going to create your character. You're going to upload those 20 to 25 photos. So now my new character has been created. So now we're going to head back over to image and click on Higgsfield Soul. And this is where the magic happens. We're going to put a very simple prompt in our prompt box. I'm going to paste black woman in her 30s, natural glam makeup, wearing a tan blazer and jeans, sitting in a charcoal chair in soft studio lighting with a confidence, clarity filled expression. And this is what I got, this photo right here. Keep playing along with the prompts because it will get better. And I am working on a master class so that you can get your AI twin to look more like yourself. Also have a free clarity confidence guide or Higgsfield.ai to help you navigate the anxiety. Because I'm telling you, when I first started doing this was driving me up a wall. It took a lot of research. And if you want more detailed prompts, I also have a prompt store so that you can get the results that you're really looking for to help you advance in your branding. So until next time, beautiful soul, I hope this was of help. See you soon.